Hello friends, welcome back to the channel Uday's Review. In this video, let us see a mobile holder from Yichuang and its model number is YC-JH01. Without wasting time, let us get into the unboxing of the mobile holder. This is a mobile holder. So let us open the box and see the holder. It's pretty heavy. Let me open it. Okay, let's get the holder outside. This is the holder. Here you can insert, it's like a hot shoe mount. You can insert a mic. I'll show you in a couple of minutes. So this is how you can expand. And lock it. So this is how the holder will be. You have pins to connect different tripods, different accessories. You can connect it left and right. 1 second, I'll just remove this one. Maximum length is this much. So this is spring based. As you loosen it, it comes up. As you tighten, it goes down. I think it can hold any mobiles. So this is a minimum and that was a maximum. It has some keyholes where you can put the 1/4" thread. Just right this side. Here also you have it. It's a quite heavy tripod, quite a heavy clamp. So this is about it. We will also connect the tripod. This is a specialized mobile holders for tripods, which is very important for vloggers. Why this is very important for bloggers and TikTok video makers is the normal holders will not have a hot shoe mount to connect the mic. In this holder, we have a hot shoe mount to connect extra LED lights or microphones like Boya BY MM1 microphones, or even you can connect Rode video mics as well. So I'll just show you a sample demo. So this is the microphone and this is the tripod mount. There is a hot shoe holder here. So you can just slide the microphone like this and tighten it. So it will be like this. You can connect your mobile phones. You can connect any type of mobile phones using this. As this is having a spring system, it can automatically adjust when you tighten or loosen the screws. So I'll just show you. I'll just connect my Asus Zenfone Max Pro M2 and show you. Connect it like this. So it will be like this. You can attach to a tripod. Like this. So this is the final thing, setup. Isn't this a compact and small? We can also do a vertical videos using this. See, like this. So when you connect like this will be like this. Place it on any flat surface and start recording the video. Friends, hope you have seen the unboxing of Yichuang YC-JH01 mobile holder unboxing. We also showed you what is there in this and how it is important for video makers. If you want to buy this thing, I'll give the link in the description. You can go and check it out. If you like this video, please share it with your friends and families. Subscribe to my channel Uday's Review and also give a like to this video. Please do follow us in the social media platform. See you in the next interesting content. Until then, signing off.
Subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon to get notification.